I'd give an update on my Bosch Rotak 43Li Ergoflex lawnmower. So this is about 5 years old now. Probably used for about 2 years quite regularly, and then for the last couple of years not really used, and another year of on and off. So hasn't heavily been used, been fine, really good. Been using it quite a lot here to cut the grass with the grass collection box. It does have the mulch fitting, but I haven't really fitted that. But the problem has been with the charger. Not this charger, this is the replacement charger. So basically what happened was I went to plug the battery in. It's a 4 amp hour battery, so it's the high capacity version. And I had a compressor working on the same socket, or basically it's a double socket, so the compressor was plugged in on the left and the charger on the right. Switched the compressor off, pumping up tyres, and then heard a pop sound, smelt the charger, and it stunk. I'm going to show you in a minute what it looks like inside. So I did try and fix it by changing some resistors and the onboard fuse, but no, there is a way of fixing them. It's online. I won't go into it in this video, but it does kind of give you some idea of what you can do to change certain parts in the charger to try and fix it. But yeah, I had to cut my losses and buy this off eBay for £45, which I don't think it's that bad a price. It is a Bosch part, manufactured November 2019, so it's not overly old. Can't really give any advice on these chargers and how to avoid the thing from blowing up. Whether or not the old one overheated, I don't know. So let's go and have a look at the old one anyway. Right, so here we go. This is the replacement charger, and this is the old one that went bang. When I was buying this, I was a bit unsure about the pins on it, because obviously on this one it's got a lot more. It looks to have a lot more warning lights, overheating. I don't know, you can discharge it, I think. It just seems to have loads more stuff on it. So this one seems a bit more basic, perhaps. Don't know. It's got a warning light on it, so maybe it's just configured differently. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. Let's get this unscrewed and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Right, so we've got the screws off. Let's just lift this up. You don't really want to be taking these apart and mucking around with them. You can seriously kind of probably electrocute yourself and die. So, looking at it, I think my fuse is blown. So the fuse is here. My resistor, which I just soldered rightly or wrongly in a spare resistor. I didn't have any others. Although it looks quite big. Yeah, it just kind of went pop again. But when the original went pop up here, this was quite burnt, the board. It's probably taken out more than just the one. There's probably the one either side of it that needs changing as well. So yeah, but really annoying that. I didn't expect a kind of heavy duty charger to go bang that quickly, really. Just really odd. Again, I don't know, maybe it needs better cooling. It wasn't really hot where it was charging. It just finished coming towards the end of a charge cycle, and yeah, it decided to give up. So there it is. That's what the inside looks like. But like I say, you don't really want to be going into it unless you really know what you're doing. I sort of semi know what I'm doing, but I'm still not going to start fiddling with that anymore. Don't really want the garage burnt down just yet. So yeah, that's that. I'll put a link in the description. I'm not sure the eBay ones are still available, but certainly there are ones available on Amazon. So I'll put in a little short link for the Amazon new model. I haven't mentioned what the new model is called, have I? It is a AL36V/20. So pretty much the same sort of format as that, just rearrange letters and numbers. Right, catch you later. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.